Bit of a chaser party over here. Reed Timmer and his group was over here earlier. There's still a tour group and a bunch of chasers from Oklahoma just hanging out here in Murdo, South Dakota. I guess we're actually in a pretty good spot. This is where we stayed last night. We're about to roll out away from the group. Yeah, I'm sort of watching the...
Jason, let's keep an eye on this thing. Here, take a look.
It actually looks pretty damn good on radar.
Our bills are 55. This is what I want. Look at the clouds. They're kind of moving out this way. A little bit of a.
Oh, now we got some lowering starting to occur here.
Yeah.
Yeah, we do.
It's moving pretty rapid.
Here. What I'm more interested in is some of the descending aspects of it.
Amazing how you can see the blue sky right up there too.
LCLs are definitely dropping right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that.
What is that doing?
That is definitely descending.
Wow.
I don't see any rotation, so I'm not that worried about it.
Yeah.
There is some veering winds right there, though, that's for sure.
Got some updraft out ahead of it. It is pushing lower as we go. Or it could just be getting closer.
Alright, now the outflow.
Oh yeah.
We're definitely under a fat storm.
Yeah.
You guys, those nice rounded edges all the way around the...
We are on the northern edge of the RFP. I just thought we were out of, I guess about, let's think we were a little further out. Yeah, let's get that second east road just because the storm's moving northeast now.
You can see it's starting to get the eagle shape.
Yep.
Hey, we're on a good cell. What do you know? probably just the rain shaft kicking up. I know that, but
Yeah, I'm watching some updraft. Yeah, that's all updraft.
Stephen Locke is coming at this from the north, huh?
No, he's coming from the south. He is south of I-90 right now.
Oh, he's
Up
far
towards
off.
it.
He didn't even make it to I-90.
Oh,
all right, he's
not
like
going to make
racing
this. So. He's racing towards it, but he's not.
He might make it if it still continues. Hey, look right here.
Yeah. Stuff right above us looks kind of nasty.
Yeah, sometimes you have to remember to look right above.
Yeah.
There's a little bit of clutter in front. That's the that rain in the distance. The camera looks it's too consistent, but
oh yeah. It's a tornado.
Tornado on it.
Main tornado. What's that right there?
How about that right there?
No, over there. I guess.
Oh,
what's that lowering?
that. Well, hello. Wow. Conical shape. You might have to race back. Switch to ISO.
It's coming down a little bit. Man, that's not good.
Look at these things right here.
Some are ascending, some are descending.
Those ones are going up. The ones next to them are going down.
Yep. Yeah, we're in a perfect spot right here. So
wow, look at that
we don't have
motion
to
right
move
there.
whatsoever.
Holy crap. That's a lot of motion.
Now we're starting to see a little rotation right in front of us here.
Could be cycling already.
I can't see that conical shape in the distance anymore. I think it's sitting behind a little rain core.
That's because that's the CRFP.
Man, you should see the lightning right above us.
Yeah.
It's crazy awesome.
Alright, let's see.
Yeah.
That's the newest one. Right on the center of this wheel.
What's radar looking like?
Just might want to do radar check on us for SMBs.
I already did. It's going to be coming up in another minute or so. Minute and a half. Yeah, SRB updates you can get less than that. Yeah, well, 3/4 of the way.
keep an eye on it.
Yeah.
I don't think that's it.
I don't think it's I'm just gonna back up into this driveway.
Circulation.
Oh, yeah, if it's there. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's the. I guess that's getting old, right?
Yeah, well, I gotta reconnect the doors. Bounce them down.
We have 4 bars EDO. Yeah, buddy.
We'll see if it stays that way.
Right.
New scan in, new scan in.
Yeah, that wind is flying into the storm. Well, the fact that you can't see anything probably makes it